volume of a composite shape, cylinder plus cone. A water tank is made of a cylinder with a cone on top. The cylinder has a radius of 5 centimeters and a height of 12 centimeters. The cone has the same radius and a height of 8 centimeters. Find the total volume of the tank. We will find the volume step by step. Step 1. Draw the diagram. This is the cylinder. The radius r is 5 centimeters and the height h is 12 centimeters. This is the cone. The radius r is also 5 centimeters and the height h is 8 centimeters. In the picture, the cone sits on top of the cylinder. When we put them together, they make the full shape of the water tank. Now we will calculate the volume of each shape separately. Step 2. Volume of the cylinder. The volume of a cylinder is equal to the area of the base multiplied by the height. The area of the base is pi times radius squared and the height is h. Here the radius r is 5 centimeters and the height h is 12 centimeters. When we simplify this, we get 300 pi cubic centimeters. Step 3. Volume of the cone. The volume of a cone is equal to the area of the base times the height divided by 3. So, the volume of the cone is 1 divided by 3 times pi times radius squared times height. The radius is 5 centimeters and the height is 8 centimeters. So, the volume becomes 1 divided by 3 times pi times 5 squared times 8. When we simplify this, we get 200 pi divided by 3 cubic centimeters. Step 4. Total volume. To get the total volume, we add both volumes. So the total volume is equal to the volume of the cylinder plus the volume of the cone. The volume of the cylinder is 300 pi and the volume of the cone is 200 pi divided by 3. When we simplify this, we get 1100 pi divided by 3. When we approximate this value, we get 1151.9 cubic centimeters. This is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more math videos, don't forget to like and subscribe.